Hi Raffi, in this lesson we're talking about this lick. So it's a really cool lick and it works over a G chord. And the scale that this lick comes from is the C major scale, and that's why it works well over this progression that we're learning at the moment, which is G to C 3 times, and then it has the F, like this, C, G, C. Notice how for the G, we just take away our index finger from a C chord, and then we just move these 2 fingers up. Like, this is C, this was the F, where we just move them down, back to C, and that's a G. Cool. So, this lick uses a technique that is called CrossPicking, and that's something that's used a lot in this style of music, which you've shown an interest in, which is really cool because I love this stuff as well. It's called Bluegrass, and this, I'll play you this tune. This is called the Beaumont Rag, which is what you've started learning. So, it's a really cool tune, and it uses this technique a lot, as does most songs of this kind of country style of music, which is called bluegrass. And that's the kind of rhythmic pattern that you do when you're strumming the chords, just to give you a reminder of that. Okay, so the important thing about this, playing this lick, is those first 3 notes should all be down picks. Down, down, down. And something that I always do when I do a down pick or an up pick is to physically go further than the string. So don't just pick down like that, really close to the string, but just try and let it become a part of your strumming. So really try that with that to start with. So down, 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 up, and when you do that down, up, try and make it a bit of a strumming motion rather than down, up, really close to the string. Try and get a bit of movement going, and that will really help as you move through this guitar lick, because the next bit, down, 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 up, down, up. So for points like this, it's really critical, because you've got that 3rd fret on the B string, down, and then E string, up. And if you just stay close to the string and do a down pick like this, then that means that you pick that note and then you have to move, which is more effort than you need to give yourself. So more hard work than you need to give yourself. So it really helps if you move with your pick as you pick down, and that way you're in position to come up, and that's how this technique works, really. So this is where we're up to, and the next thing is, so we've just finished on an upstroke there on the E string, and then it's down, up, down. So, putting that together, we have down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then the next thing we have is an upstroke on the G string, 2nd fret. And then it's down on the B, up again on that same note, and again back to the B string, down. So if we put that together, it sounds like this. And I'll give us a count this time so that you can play along nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. That's going to be too fast, my fault. here we go. 1, 2, 3. Once again, slower as well. 1, 2, 3. And yes, that last note is a G string open with a down pick. So, last time, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, very importantly, just remember to move your pick with each note that you pluck, and that really helps you to keep on top of making sure that you're consistently going down, up, down, up, down, up when we want that to be the case. Cool, so I hope that's been helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thanks, Raffi.